Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter Wilds error code RA052-TBL-TAET. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to connect to the game, but instead of getting in, they receive this error. While there is no official explanation based on our research, it is likely a network-related issue or a game-side problem. Some players have shared that changing the DNS server helped fix the issue. If you're on PS5, follow these steps. Simply set IP address, settings to automatic. Then set DHCP hostname to do not specify. Then set DNS settings to manual. Then go to the DNS settings and manually enter a public DNS server, such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. Then set MTU settings to automatic, and set the proxy server to do not use. Once done, restart your console and check if the error still comes. If the issue is not related to your network, restart your system and check if you need to update the game. If an update is available, install it and try again. If the error still persists, try connecting over a different network, such as a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi, and see if this helps. If none of the previous fixes work, then the issue might be from the game's side. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. If the error persists for too long, consider reaching out to the game support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.